This one right here. And I will call her a she, because she made me famous on vacation. It's something about a tripod that just brings everybody to the camera. I'm a content creator, and bringing my tripod on vacation with me made the biggest difference. So this is how it looks when you know, out of the bag. Nice, professional with the handle right here. So I'm on vacation. I go on vacation. I carry her like this. I go to the festival, no problem. We're dancing, and all of a sudden, you see me just do one of these numbers. While you standing beneath the mistletoe. Everybody's not even paying attention to me. Voila. I'm gonna do one more leg so it can be a little higher. Easy, easy. And she slides down, so let's just imagine me dancing. Then I just slide her up by me. Put my camera, who's just a regular red, tiny, about 5-year-old Canon camera on here. So it looks really tiny compared to the tripod. So if you didn't know who I was, you would think I was like a paparazzi at this festival, because I was the only one with a tripod. People flock to the tripod because they think it's professional looking. And yes, I was on vacation, but I was going to record content regardless. But having a tripod and just the whole look of a tripod made people come running. I really enjoyed this product on vacation, and this product will be with me wherever I go. Whatever celebration, holiday season, just set up, walk away, then come back and you want to catch a record, hit record. And the bonus of it all with the tripod, you get to be in the video. I am in my vacation videos for once, because I will put this on here, my camera on, walk in front of the camera, do my dancing, talking, almost forget about it. Then I come back, I've got so much content recorded. And then hit stop. Yes. So after a while, let's not forget, my tripod stayed with me the whole festival weekend. And after a while, I just didn't even fold her up. I'll just pick her up like this. She stands up like this and goes taller over people who's tall. But I didn't have to use it that way, because I was almost able to get to the front row and record people because they thought I was a paparazzi. So I'm walking, and we need to go. I don't fold her up. I just grab her like this. She is my friend, and I just keep going. It don't stop nothing. It don't stop nothing. And then, bam! It don't stop nothing. She actually enhances everything about your vacation pictures and videos. Everything. Thank you for watching. I really love it. I really love this.